Hey everyone, this is Aravind, and let's not waste our time. And I have challenged GO 1263 of 1961. And you might ask what we have to do if you have challenged 1961 GO. And the reason behind it is that on behalf of our students, I had to challenge this GO. And that this GO, particularly what it does is that imposes complete ban and restrict any sort of corrections or changes in a 10th certificates, inter or degree. No educational officer, no universities will entertain any changes. So this GO particularly has imposed such restrictions. And also the same GO says that you can go for a Telangana or whatever the thing like government gazette publication that you have changed from one name to another name, but it doesn't even the same GO says that you need to carry this your certificates along with the gazette publication, but it doesn't entertain any corrections or changes. It only allows if there is any clerical or mistake, any clerical mistakes made by the board of secondary education, then they will entertain, or else they will not entertain. So I have challenged it. And one of the best thing that which before challenging I have checked with writ petitions have they filed any, and before also they have filed writ petitions that they sought directions to consider changes, but they have dismissed that there is already a GO. I thought that if I go and approach a high court and seek directions that direct the state board of secondary education to consider to make a changes in the certificates, my certificate also, my writ petition also will get dismissed just like a previous one previously who has challenged it. So I thought that why not challenge the government order and get it declared ultra vires. And I thought and I took it as a challenge. And also I went with my one of my client to the board of secondary education. The students are not even being allowed inside the gate. Thing is that the case was also admitted, the writ petition was entertained, it went for the divisional bench in a CJ court. Because we are challenging the government orders, it will all by default go to the honorable CJ court. And also CJ was also in the students favor, and it was really beautiful that he questioned the state government that what is wrong in issuing a fresh certificates to the students. And I have also made my submissions that it is in violation of article 14, 16, 19, 19.1 of A, 19.1 of G, and article 21. And subsequently state has sought 2 weeks of time its counter. And it was really good. I never expected that it will get published in all the newspapers, Telugu, English newspapers like the Hindu, Deccan Chronicle, Siyasat, Indian Express, the New Indian Express, and all Telugu newspapers got published. And it was really beautiful and it was really amazing that I never expected that the response will be such really great. And let me know your opinion on this thing, and have a great day.